that big ones that got all together, because it didn't look that big all together when it was sitting on the table, but it's that big. If you hear any humming going on here, it's the servos on this thing, and I can't seem to get them to quiet down, but it's not for lack of trying. We've got everything here, all our control surfaces. Flaps. It seems to be one of the flap servos that's making the most noise, but it might have something to do with the AS3X. I'm not real sure. I'll have to check into this. But for all intents and purposes, everything is working. She's a big one. Should be fun. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the build. Did a couple other things to it here, guys. If you'll see the front end, you know, I've heard reports of people, you know, a little discouraged with the hood or the canopy cover, and this area would really get messed up. But I went ahead and put the Gorilla clear repair tape all the way around the perimeter of that, and it seems to be holding. It should prevent it from damage. Doesn't look bad, but it'll prevent nastiness around the side of the battery compartment. So let's see, what else have I done to this thing? Did a couple other little odds and ends to it while I was at it. I threw a light strip in it, but it's not hooked up yet. I've got to put a, I've actually got to make an adapter. This thing has an EC3 adapter. I expected the EC5s on it, considering it was a 6-cell, but I'm going to have to make up an adapter for that, because I've got the 6-cell right now, and I've got it just kind of jury-rigged with jumper wires, so that I could at least power it up and check everything. But I can tell it's going to have a lot of power, man. I'm not going to give it any gas here, because everything will go flying right off the table. But neat plane, neat plane. It's got some weight to it, so we're going to have to learn how to, well, we'll just have to learn to fly this one, that's all. I'm going to have a gas with this thing, I think. Plan on getting this out right away. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun.